Hi friends, my name is Umair and you are watching UT Info. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe and press bell icon to get all updates from us. Today our topic is 10 unknown jobs you didn't know existed. Check out this list of unusual jobs. These are real jobs and some of them even full offer time positions with a generous salary. Number 1 is mattress jumper. Rabban Reneso is a professional mattress jumper at a handmade mattress factory. Rabban's career path sees him jumping on 3 mattresses a day to compress the interior materials, making it ready for people to sleep on. Rabban takes his career seriously and takes pride in being a part of the production line. Rabban claims he has never been asleep on the job ever. Number 2 is private jet interior designer. Jean-Pierre Alfano is the founder and creative director of AirJet Design, a leading interior design studio that aims to blueprint and polish the inside of jets. The company offers services ranging from design professionals to 3D mockups and skilled labor. The sector proves to be extremely niche and unusual service which targets the rich. Number 3 is water slide tester. The job of a lifetime for one every lucky student. Sebastian Smith sees him travel the world to visit 20 splash world resorts where he goes down water slides, trying not to too much fun while getting paid a salary of $20,000. The actual words within a sustained job description include biggest splash, adrenal factor, and waggy. It's an extremely unique job but probably the most fun one you can find. Number 4 is pet massage. Massaging a puppy is now considered an actual job. Animal massage therapists are pet health professionals that are experienced in anatomy, physiology, and massage techniques used to improve an animal physical well-being. That or they just very passionate about petting. Sadly, professionals within the sector are still trying to improve the muscle and stress relief animals can receive from a massage after going for a walk. Number 5 is ice cream tester. Imagine a career where you go to work and throughout your day you need to taste 35 ice creams and tell people what you think. No, it's not a dream. It's a real paid job and they are sometimes referred to as food scientists. It is a fun job where you can get paid $60,000 per year just for eating ice cream. Number 6 is professional snuggler. Number 6 is professional snuggler. Within a new up and coming sector, companies like the Snuggery hit the market with mission statements such as have a break, have a snuggle, providing people with private snuggling sessions. If your partner doesn't snuggle properly or you don't have a partner and miss a good snuggle, rest assured you can give them a call to enjoy some professional spoking. It's an unusual job, but someone has to do it. Number 7 is chocolate tester. Although it's not a full-time job, chocolate testing is most certainly a real job. The skills requested to apply to the position involve one previous education other than a good sense of taste and smell. According to recruiters, being a young female would be considered an advantage as women under the age of 35 have a better sense of smell. If you truly desire to turn this into a full-time career, beware that it's not a healthy career and can have a detrimental effect on your arteries. Number 8 is Panda Nanny. Pro- Probably one of the most unknown jobs on the list is Panda Nanny. Animal research centers in China advertise positions for panda nannies that pay a whopping $19,000 a year. Situated on an island in the Great Barrier Reef, the jobs provide free meals, accommodation, and a company car. The main duties include keeping them company, having fun with the pandas, and making them feel better if they appear sad. To be honest, it's hard to imagine a more awesome job. Number 9 is Cat Cafe owner. Cat cafes provide visitors with an environment where they can relax with their feline friends. Reservations are now being accepted to sit with cats while enjoying a tea or coffee, and they are starting to open all over the world. They even have them in Singapore. Number 10 is sex toy tester. This home based position sees workers earning a salary of over $39,000 per year as a box full of sex toys are delivered for review and approval. The employees try the various gadgets in different obscure positions such as upside down and then send feedback as to what went wrong. It's all about from this video. I hope you people like. If you like, please subscribe my channel to get all updates. Thanks for watching.